Hi everyone and welcome to another video of Games and Cubes. And today we're solving the 3x3 gear cube or the gear cube ultimate. If you first encounter this cube, it looks pretty complicated, but if you know how to solve a normal 3x3, it's pretty simple. Before we start solving the cube, let me scramble it up for you and also show you the different rotations of the cube. Compared to the normal 3x3 cube, this cube only has double rotation. So if you rotate it once, like actually you're used to with a normal cube, you can not rotate the other way. So you have to do it twice. So this is actually one rotation. And then you can do the same at the top, one. So this is one. And actually you already see the cube reshaping. So let me scramble it up for you. All right. So solving this cube takes 4 steps. So let's start with the first step. The first step in solving this cube is creating 4 corner pieces and solve them on one side. So you have to make sure that they're also oriented correctly. And don't pay attention to the small pieces around the centerpiece. So let's make it simple and start solving white. Choose just one corner that you think is all right, and then we will start looking for the second one. Well, here you can see, okay, this is now correct. And let's try to find, if you connect 2, probably the other 2 are also here, so we can just flip it on top. And as you can see, you now fixed all the 4 corner pieces, but also all the other corner pieces are solved. So you can just start solving one and the rest is also solved. So let's move on to the second step. So in the second step, we're gonna position all the edge pieces the right way. But in this case, let's first put all the center pieces in their correct spot. Just turn as it will happen. And as you can see now, also all the centers are correct. So now we can, so once you've put all the centers in the right spot, you can start swapping the center pieces into their correct position. And swapping them is a super simple algorithm, and I'm going to show you. So in this case, we need to swap these 2 because as you can see, this is white and blue, and this is green. White, blue, and green and white, and you want this piece to be here. Don't pay attention if they're flipped. We can solve that later on. So the algorithm is as follows: R2, 1, 2, then U, 1, and again R2, 1, 2, and you can see it's already solved, but we will solve it correctly with the U-turn. So now you swap these positions and they're already nice and tidy. Again, don't pay attention to the smaller centerpieces. We will solve that in the last step of solving this cube. So let's check out if there are any other pieces that need to be swapped. Yeah, you can see here there's another one. You can just see it like that. And let's perform the algorithm again. R2, 1, 2, U. Oh, sorry. In some cases it really don't work, but it doesn't matter which way around. So this is a U. Again R2. 1, 2, and a U. Oh, let's do it that way again, and a U. And as you can see, you've now put them in the right position. They're not oriented correctly. That's not an issue. And you can just continue until all the pieces, and I think they are right now, all the pieces are in the right position. And then we can continue to the third step. The third step is the easiest step. You can just start rotating until your cube starts solving itself. So let's do that. So let's just continue until we solve the cube. It takes some time and patience, but as you see, you now solved the complete layer. We do that with the other layer as well. Just rotate until you solved it. Probably there it is. And now you can see you've solved the cube. And in the last step, we're gonna make sure that we also solve the small centerpieces. When I first started solving this puzzle, it took me a while to figure it out, but actually it's a simple algorithm. Take one side where all the pieces are wrong and orient them towards yourself. And then perform the following algorithm. R, U, R, U, R, and a U. And now there's one flip, but that is my cube. So this, I have to do it like this because when I put too much pressure, it didn't work. It's always a solution to solve your cube, but this is how you solve the gear cube. Yeah, and let me know if you also mastered this cube and how I can help you in other videos. Keep practicing, keep cubing, and if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content, and we will see you in the next video.